Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. Over here I have the Casio B-640 and I'm gonna show you how to set the time and date. Before getting started, I'm gonna try and figure out the best angle for my camera because these negative displays are very hard to get or catch with the camera. Nevertheless, let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, press the upper left button, that is the button flush with the case, and the seconds begin to flash. As you can see, the seconds are flashing, which indicates that we are in the setting mode, and first in a row of settings is setting our seconds value. Now, you cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset them to 0 by simply pressing the lower right button, and they will go to 0. Whilst setting the seconds, also you are in the position of setting your hour format. By pressing the upper right button, you are shuffling between 24 or 12-hour time format as it is indicated over here. This is the 12-hour time format, but pressing the upper right button, it switches to 24-hour time format and the time indication is different. So, once we have set our seconds and our format, press the mode button and the flashing moves on to our hour value. It is indicating 22 o'clock and it is correct, but just in case you want to switch it, you can press the lower button and you will shuffle the value of hours. I'm gonna get it back to 22 o'clock, and once I've set my hour value, I'm gonna press the mode button and the flashing moves on to my minutes value. Again, I can increase the value of minutes. In this case, I need to increase it to 43 by pressing the lower right button, and there it is. Now, done with that, I'm gonna press the mode button once again and I'm setting my year. It is flashing 2022, but you can shuffle it by pressing this button over here. So let's go. When I press it, it moves or shuffles in increments of 1, but when I press and hold it, it will engage fast rotation, and when I release it, it will stop. So now I have to get it back to 2022, and there it is, 2022. Once I'm done with my year value, I'm gonna press the mode button, and next up flashing is our month value. It's flashing number 12, corresponding to month of December. When I press the lower right button, it will shuffle the value of month between 1 and 12, and I can set it to the value I want. Once done with that, press the mode button once again, and the number 15 begins to flash. That is our day value. Today is the December the 15th, but I can shuffle it by pressing the lower button, and it will go from 1 to 31, and in this case I have to set it back to number 15, corresponding to today's date. Once done with that, press the mode button for the final time, and the seconds again begin to flash, indicating that we have ran through the cycle of setting our time and date. To implement the settings, simply press the upper left button, the one flush with the case, just once, and the watch has now implemented the settings. We are back at the standard timekeeping mode. The watch indicates that today is Thursday 15th of December and the time is 22 o'clock and 45 minutes. So that was the how to set the time and date on the Casio B640. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.